Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, you will learn how to build an AJAX-based login form with real-time feedback and error handling using web methods. AJAX login forms enhance UX by avoiding postbacks, giving users instant responses for valid or invalid logins. Here is our basic login form, two input fields and a login button. The login message will be shown dynamically below the form. This JavaScript function collects user input, validates it, and sends it to the server using AJAX. It also displays success or failure messages instantly. The web method receives the username and password, checks credentials, and returns either success or fail. You can extend this with real database validation. For production apps, protect your login method with secure password handling, encrypted storage, and validation logic to prevent brute force attacks. To improve UX, disable the login button and show a spinner or message during login processing. Re-enable it based on the response. AJAX login works beautifully inside models. On login failure, the model stays open, no reload, no disruption. Make error messages user-friendly. Show them inline style invalid fields and avoid any page flickers. Let us review the full workflow. The form gathers input, JavaScript sends it via AJAX, and the server responds with the login status. Most issues happen due to a missing configuration or improper JSON formatting. Double check your script manager and web method signature. To summarize, AJAX login improves usability and keeps your app modern and user friendly. Just remember to keep your logic secure and clean. Up next, you will learn how to save form data directly to a database using web methods and build AJAX-enabled grids with live search and refresh features. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like the video, and comment your doubts.